Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sportage headlight bulb. Replacing a burnt-out headlight is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. It's crucial for maintaining clear visibility and ensuring your safety, as well as the safety of others, while driving. We'll walk through each step, making this process simple and quick for you. First, safely open your vehicle's hood and prop it up securely. Next, identify the back of the headlight assembly within the engine bay. You'll see a circular dust cover protecting the bulb. Gently twist this cover counterclockwise to remove it, revealing the electrical connections and the bulb itself. This step provides clear access to the components you need to work with. Now, disconnect the electrical connector by gently pulling it off the back of the bulb. Then, locate and release the metal retaining clip that holds the bulb firmly in its socket. Typically, you push it in and then unhook it. Carefully remove the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Align the bulb correctly and secure it with the retaining clip. To finish, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb. Then, replace the dust cover by twisting it clockwise until it is securely fastened. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates properly. This quick check confirms your successful replacement, providing you with clear and safe illumination for your journeys ahead. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.